Hello, this is Friday, June 21st, and this afternoon, in just a couple hours, the week one module of NMP 650 will be opening for you. So I'm going to record just a very quick little video just to give you an introduction to the work of week one. First of all, welcome to the first of your last two classes here in the NMP program. NMP 650 and 670, which is the class that follows, are designed as sister classes so that I will be teaching 650 and Sylvia DeHaas Phillips will be teaching 670. In 650, we will begin the process of working on your capstone, your final capstone projects. We will be reading about and discussing and learning about research methods, and in particular, you will be identifying your capstone topic area, your specific research questions. By the end of 650, you will have completed your actual research and written your literature review. In fact, by the end of 650, you will have actually written the first 4 chapters of your capstone, final capstone project. So week one, there is a lot of information about the format for the capstone project. So I urge you to really roll up your sleeves and get started reading about that. About the assignment, one of the assignments for week one at the end of week one is to write a maximum of a 2-page essay on your research topic, the topic area that you are thinking that you'd like to focus in on. So be sure that you have all that information. In week one, there are, I believe, 3 discussion forums, 2 of which are both peer coaching forums. We're going to use the peer coaching format quite a bit in this class. So take a look, make sure that you understand what the deadlines are for both the regular discussion forums and the peer coaching discussion forums. So just take the first couple of days to make sure that you understand the format here in 650, which is a little different from some of the other classes that you've had. Not only in terms of the format, but the amount of work, the intensity of the class. I've had students in the past tell me that the amount of work seems to shift into hyperdrive. So be aware of that going in, and don't allow yourself to procrastinate and get behind. The other significant piece of work here in 650 will deal with the Bowman and Deal text. We're going to jump right into that right here in week one. Here it is, Reframing Organizations, Bowman and Deal. I want to make sure that you get the 6th edition, which was published in 2017. That's very important because a lot of the information, a lot of the case studies have been updated, and I want to make sure that you're using the correct edition. So in week one, we'll also be beginning our reading and discussion of Bowman and Deal's concept of reframing organizations. There's a wonderful chart right here on page 20. Let's see if I can turn to it easily, which sort of gives it to you in a nutshell. So, but your assignment for week one is part 1, which is just the first 2 chapters of the Bowman and Deal, in which they talk about their theory in general. One of the discussion forums this week is to discuss that in general. So I will sign off for now, and I'm hoping to make an introductory video every week so that there'll be just a little touch point for you at the beginning of the week. I hope that you have ordered and received the Bowman and Deal book, because we're going to get started with that right away, first thing, Monday morning. And if you don't have access to the Bowman and Deal, please see if you can try to get it from the Hatch Library, or somehow you'll be unable to participate if you have not read the material. So that's it for me. I will be scheduling phone calls with each of you next week after you've turned in your papers about your capstone topics. I want to have that information before we speak. Also, I will be assigning the peer coaching groups um, at the very beginning of next week, because I want to assign them based on what your topic areas are, so that I'm assigning you to a group where there is a similarity of topic area, so that your conversation may be a little bit more fruitful to each other. That's it. Glad to have you in class, and let me know if you need anything. My cell number is area code 845-380-0155. See you online.